Hey everyone, it's Jerry Metalman Battaglia. I'm out here in Long Island, New York with my friend Russ, and his family has a huge collection of cars and trucks and awesome stuff. So Russ is going to tell us about this 84 C10 short bed pickup that he built for his family, and it's your brother-in-law's car, right?
Yes.
It's his brother-in-law's truck, and this thing is absolutely amazing. So Russ, tell us about this truck you have over here.
It's an 84 C10. It's got a blueprint 383 stroker, 450 horse, turbo 350 built by Battaglia transmission, 2.5-inch mandrel bent exhaust, X-pipe Black Widow mufflers, done by United Exhaust in Ronkonkoma, and my buddy Justin at Huntington Transmission put a posi unit in the rear end.
We just took a drive in this truck and it was tight as can be. Acceleration was nice, it didn't break up. It was like totally dialed in perfect. It's that aluminum radiator up front there.
Yeah, it's a Griffin aluminum radiator. AC still works.
So Blueprint built the motor.
Yes, it's their own block that they have casted. It's a crate motor right out of the box.
Where are they located? What area?
I think somewhere in Ohio or something like that.
Okay.
Bought it at a Summit magazine.
And where'd you guys buy the truck?
The truck's from South Carolina.
Really nice truck.
Digital gauges.
I like the patina on the body. They're not going to paint the truck, guys. They're going to leave it the way it is, which is awesome. This truck is straight as can be. All original, unrestored. From Pendarvis Chevy Oldsmobile out in Edgefield, South Carolina, which is awesome. Like I said before, we took this down the block. I do have a video of it. Driving down the street. But this thing is awesome. 84 Chevy C10 Deluxe. Short bed, 2-wheel drive. Is truck for sale?
Not for sale.
Not for sale, not for sale. I asked, you never know, guys. I would have put it out there. Why don't you start it up, Russ?
Yeah, I'll start her up.
Sounds good. So guys, there it is. I had no idea you were going to burn it up like that, but
Yeah, of course, that's what it's built for.
Jerry Metalman Battaglia, but a bunch of smoke in the face and rocks flying at me, but I stayed in it. Yeah, I stayed in it. He stayed in the pedal, I stayed on the camera. But like and share this video. That burnout was awesome. Also, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification. Me and Russ got more cars coming to you guys. Have a great day. Jerry Metalman Battaglia coming from Long Island, New York. Awesome. That was awesome, bro. Have a great day, guys.